right, anyway, there's the downpour. Now, everywhere you see all that yellow and embedded little orange, those are the downpours. It's tropical air. Can you imagine? We've gone from the coldest air in 57 years to tropical air, all in a pretty short period of time. One of the most amazing turnarounds I've ever seen, and we're all experiencing it. So here we see lots of downpours. It's coinciding with the evening commute, making things a mess out on the road. Some of the heavier bands that you could see here, right around Needham, up to Newton, on down to Medfield. Those are heavier downpours. As you can see, we take you out to Framingham, Holliston, and Medway, all involved, out through Worcester County as well. Worcester up to Holden, on down to Grafton, moving into Northbridge now, and even off to the south around Attleboro, Providence, Somerset, Fall River. And when you head up to New Hampshire, boys, there have been some tremendous downpours in the Monadnock region of New Hampshire. Then we have the wind. Look at some of these gusts. Blue Hill is gusted to 60, Warwick, Rhode Island, 57, Fairhaven, 53. Some localized damage is now starting to come in. We know we have the gusts and we have a few trees down, and we may hear a little bit more of that in the next 1 to 3 hours. Here are some of the gusts just this past hour, almost 50 miles an hour in southeastern Connecticut. There you go. These are peak winds that are very strong, probably over 50 miles an hour. More and more reports are coming in as we go through this. Now, as we take you out in time, 6 o'clock tonight, the back edge is around Worcester, but Boston, the entire coastline, South Shore, North Shore, Cape Cod, all involved. We get to 7 o'clock, heaviest action is moving off of Cape Ann, just moving off the South Shore, but still affecting the Cape and the islands. Then the outer Cape by 8 o'clock, and then it's pretty much a done deal by about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. So wild stuff in a few-hour period of time. This is the temperature difference between yesterday at this time and today. Springfield is 41 degrees warmer. Hartford is 40 degrees warmer. Worcester, 35 degrees warmer. Boston, 30 degrees warmer. Yes, we've got raindrops on CityCam to be sure. 52 warm degrees, steady wind at 29, gusting higher than that in the downpours as they move through. It's everywhere now, the warm air. Took quite a while to get to the Connecticut River Valley, also the Merrimack Valley, but finally it's warm everywhere, and there's a lot of melting. I've been calling it kind of a mega melt that's going on this afternoon. All right, by tomorrow morning, the front is way offshore, and we have improving weather, comparatively tranquil. Then a secondary front's going to come through Wednesday night or Thursday morning, maybe a flurry on the coast or the Cape, and it will turn somewhat colder at that time. By tomorrow morning, around freezing or just above in Boston, a little below north and west, and then for tomorrow, the high temperatures will be moving up into the 40s, which is not too bad for this time of the year. All right, how's it going to shape up after that? Well, as I mentioned, there could be just a few snow flurries, mainly on the Cape on Friday, Thursday rather. That'll be a colder day and a cold start to Friday. Nothing big in this time period. Maybe a few showers or flurries once or twice. Beyond the 7-day forecast, it may get more complicated again, but we'll deal with that a little bit down the road. Ed and Heather?